SICE is a company that integrates intelligent transportation systems. It offers a comprehensive solution for centralized management of intelligent transportation systems in order to provide managers of transport infrastructures the tools to acquire, store, process and distribute information based on a software platform called SIDERA. The main functions that SIDERA supports are road traffic control and management, control, monitoring and management of security systems in tunnels and buildings, support in the operation of traffic management centres. SIDERA allows traffic management centres to control and monitor all systems installed in the infrastructures, as well as incidents that take place in them. It provides tools to the operator in order to access all the system functions through a unified graphical interface. It is based on a modular and expandable architecture, which makes it easier to integrate new features and systems, allowing the incorporation of technological advances in an easy way. SIDERA uses international standards and with open architecture to avoid incompatibilities between different systems, devices and applications. Through SIDERA's software tools, traffic engineers are able to handle data efficiently, make relevant settings, enabling improved transport conditions. The functions it allows are acquire data, vehicle intensity, occupancy, classification and speed. From the processing of this data, service levels are obtained, indicating the traffic status of a section of the road. The control of traffic flow, based on historical, current and predicted data. Improve user mobility by reducing congestion and travel times. Minimize the emission of polluting gases. Calculate alternative routes. Manage speed and queues dynamically. Run traffic engineering algorithms for the early detection of incidents and allow the management of the emergencies. Share information about travel times, traffic status and incidents. For road users, for general public through new information channels and social networks. For agencies and organizations. SIDERA centralizes environmental and air quality data provided by weather stations and governmental agencies so they can be available for the operator, the infrastructure manager and the road users. SIDERA has an incident management system that interacts with all other subsystems, either for the creation of new incidents or as a final solution to resolve them. The incident management system allows to have a set of plans related with each incident. When an incident is detected, the incident management system executes its response plans following the guidelines of the operations manual. The incident management system guides and automates the operations that have to be performed by the system operator for the resolution of the incident, ensuring a double goal. Response times are minimized. The operations manual is strictly and orderly followed. SIDERA monitors, manages and controls all electromechanical and security systems in tunnels, buildings and roads. SIDERA triggers all automatic, semi-automatic and manual processes associated with incidents as specified in the operations manual, which have previously been configured in the application. The status of all subsystems is monitored and stored in real time in the application. Through the incident management module, the operator is informed about the event or alarm occurred in the tunnel, so that the incidents can be managed. For fire situations, SIDERA prioritizes the most complex tasks, and advanced processes are implemented to achieve the reduction of detection time, the location of the incident, the support for the operator in the tasks of validating, confirming the existence of the incident, preventing false alarms, the execution of predefined actions using the most reliable incident data, and the control of clean airflow. SIDERA, to ensure safety, allows manual and automatic operations on each subsystem, emergency ventilation, gallery pressurization, power supply control, control algorithms of fire extinguishing equipment algorithms, lighting management, support plans and rules for tunnel management. Once the emergency services take control of the operations, SIDERA offers the possibility to perform manual operations according to their needs. SIDERA is designed to work uninterruptedly with high availability and fault-tolerant control systems, replication of data between control centres, automatic switching between redundant servers, disaster recovery servers. SIDERA stores data information in real time, historical data and log of events and actions. The information of all subsystems is permanently stored in databases, and it is an efficient tool for analysing the operation and optimising the response processes. The improvement in the operation and maintenance of the different subsystems must not only be achieved through preventative and corrective maintenance, but also by tracking and analysing thoroughly the information offered by different subsystems. SIDERA includes a computer system for the generation of reports, statistics and data trending on the operation of equipment and different subsystems. Also, this module ensures that the stored information meets the standards and quality levels established and required. SIDERA allows the customization of reports for each installation. SIDERA incorporates a simulator aimed for operators' training that can work over a real or a virtual installation that allows continuous training for operators, reproduce and analyze historical data in order to optimize the operation. SIDERA is constantly evolving to adapt to new technologies in order to ease the operation of infrastructures, improving safety and providing quality information to the user.